Hi, I am Emma from FleetRoute. Let's learn about how to build a delivery service network in 2 weeks. Get 14 days free trial of last mile delivery software at www.fleetroute.com. With more and more businesses adopting an online business model, the logistics and distribution business has never been more in demand. People now expect parcels of all shapes and sizes to be delivered over long distances and around the world 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. From goods delivered within a few miles, example, daily food deliveries, medicines, groceries, to goods shipped worldwide. Delivery firms could focus on a particular type of delivery, example, groceries, or they could deliver all types of parcels. What are your CapEx costs to start a delivery service? Fleet vehicles, warehouses, staff salaries, MIS, insurance, important, infrastructure, and hardware are large line items when setting up a delivery network. Ongoing expenses, operating costs, marketing, fuel, taxes, etc. Clearly define the market opportunity, your target market, your price to your customers, business profitability, the competitive landscape, and how much profit can a delivery service make? Creating a legal business entity safeguards you against becoming personally liable if someone sues your delivery service. Common types include partnerships, sole proprietorships, LLCs, and corporations. Before you can start operations, be sure to register for all requisite licenses and federal and state taxes. It is best to use separate business and personal accounts to ensure the protection of personal assets. In today's digital world, this is where you meet or gain customers. Make sure you select a catchy name and build an app or website with a well-designed UI and UX. Set up customer service phone lines, chatbots, and app notifications, etc., to service your customers. Remember, this always has 2 aspects, the rational, functional aspect and the emotional, intangible aspect. The strongest brands always have a healthy mix of both. How will you go about partnering with restaurants? For drivers and delivery agents, will you use your restaurant's drivers, an outsourced third party, or hire a courier service? Will you also do grocery delivery? Most services separate out apps for customers, couriers, and restaurants. There are also ready-made frameworks that allow you to quickly create a delivery app. You could create 3 separate apps or just one with different interfaces. Make sure to discuss your needs as a client thoroughly with your developers, they will be of great help. After completing the setup, as mentioned above, it is imperative that you have a well-planned delivery process. This would begin from planning all the way down to execution. Once done, you could train your team members, especially your drivers, towards a unified objective so that all effort and resources are directed toward making deliveries as quickly, efficiently, and economically as possible. Establishing a base system also helps you to constantly check planned versus actual performance and keep making the necessary tweaks as your business scales. The delivery process is centered on route optimization, monitoring, and checking delivery completion. Needless to say, the cornerstone of any delivery network is route planning. Innumerable variables, example, distance, terrain, traffic, travel time constraints, time taken per stop, cargo type, fleet vehicle, and driver availability, have to be balanced equally to arrive at the most optimal solution. Modern dispatch software works wonders in this regard, while also allowing flexibility for rerouting and last-minute changes. Without efficient route planning, you will be completely lost. Customer ETAs, delivery window changes, etc. are just some areas where you will fall woefully short. And remember, route planning will only get more complex as you scale. An e-vehicle delivery company, 2- and 3-wheelers, uses last-mile delivery software to deliver groceries and medicines across a large, bustling metropolitan city. Due to the busy schedules of their consumers and unpredictable traffic snarls, the rerouting feature is key to customer satisfaction. Their delivery agents receive an optimized route at the start of the day for their daily deliveries. However, due to changes in line items, quantities, new delivery windows, etc., the delivery drivers constantly need to reroute in order to incorporate any last-minute changes. The dispatch software they use allows drivers to constantly optimize their delivery route by adding new line items, changing routes, and so on. Payroll drivers, third-party drivers, and freelance drivers, all this needs to be planned. Don't forget, drivers are your invaluable team members. They work long hours in god-awful conditions, form the face of your company for your customers in today's delivery business model, and lead the charge across your last-mile delivery operations. Spending time on their hiring, training, compensation packages, and benefits will go a long way in defining the success or failure of your company. The marketing and PR tactics that you use will be determined by elements that influence your business and its customers. Choose judiciously from a combination of the traditional, print, TV, radio, billboards, flyers, and the modern, digital promotions, social media marketing, in-app promotions, as well as personal outreach to clients. As is evident, the rapid adoption of online business models has triggered a huge opportunity for the delivery business. Using all the strategies mentioned above, including new tech-led tools such as fully automated GPS and AI-enabled delivery software, is now critical to success. Get 14 days free trial of last mile delivery software at www.fleetroute.com.